Bonjour et bienvenue. In this video, we are going to learn les nombres from 21 to 100. Now, whenever we write 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, we have to put the word et in between. This is pronounced as a. Look at the example for this. How do we write 21? 20 plus 1. Here 20 was 1, so it becomes 21. 22. 22. We have to note that whenever we put et, then we never put a dash, and when we do not put et, then it is compulsory to put a dash in between the two words in counting. Now similarly, when it is 23, then it is 23. 24, 24. 25, 26. 26, 26. 27, 27. 28, 28. 29, 29. 30. How to pronounce 30? 30. 31. In between, we have to put et. So it becomes 31. 32. 32. 33. 33. 34. 34. 35. 37. 36. 36. 37. 37. 38. 38. 39. 39. Now let's come on to 40. 40 is 40. So if we want to write 41, so that would be 41. 42 42. 43 43. 44 44. 45 46. 46 46. 47 47. 48 48. 49 49. 50. Now 50 is second. So if we want to write 51, how we are going to write? Second a. 52 second the. 53 second through. 54 second ketra. 55 second sec. 56 second cease. 57 second set. 58 second with. 59 second nuff. 60 soixante. 61 61. 62 62. 63 63. 64 64. 65 67. 66 66. 67 67. 68 68. 69 69. Now from here the counting becomes little different. 20 is known as 1, 30 was 30, 40 was 40, 50 was second, 60 was 60. But 70 doesn't have any special word for itself. How do we form 70 then? 60 plus 10, it gives me 70. Now 60 is 60 and 10 is these. Then 70 is written as 60 these. Now 71 will not be formed from 70. Instead, we form 71, 72, 73 up to 79. These numbers are formed from 60. So how do we form 71 from 60? So 60 plus 11 will gives me 71. So 60 ons. 72 72. 73 73. 74 74. 75 75. 76 76. So 77. 60 plus 17. How do I write 17? 17. 77 becomes 77. 78 78. 79 79. Now let's come on to 80. How do I write 80? 80. Now it is important to note that In case of 80, we write S. Now this S is only written in case of 80, not anywhere else. 81 will be formed from 80, so 80 plus 1 gives me 81. 80 without S. 81. Now, just like 70, 90 doesn't have any special word for itself. So, 90 would be formed from 80. So, 80 plus 10 gives me 90. 80 was 80 without an S. So, 80 these gives me 90. Now, finally, we learn how to pronounce 91 to 100. 91 is not formed from 90, instead it is formed from 80, just like 71, 72. So now 80 plus 11 gives me 91. 80 was 80 without an S, 11 is ons. Now here we do not write ET. Why? Because ET was just up to 71. In 81 and 91 we do not write it. 91 80 ons, 92 80 douze, 93 80 13, 94 80 14, 95 80 15, 96 80 cents. So 97, 80 plus 17, it gives 97. 97. It is a long word. 98, 98, 99, 99. So now the final word, which is 100. How do we pronounce 100 in Hindi? It is so, and in French it is pronounced as so.